what's up YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and I want to talk to you guys about what Ampurex sent out to me. They came on my channel and was like, hey, we got something for you, homie. When they reached out to me, they was like, hey man, we want to send you something. We see that you're doing pretty great on YouTube. And I was like, man, like you guys got so many different options. And if you go to their website, you can get 10% off everything that they sell, your entire order. I will put a link down below. But what I chose this little shelf right here. Now, the only reason that I have my cart out here today is because I want to show you this shelf. Listen to this. I get that little drawer down there to unfold, and it usually does a good job, but it's just a shelf. It just doesn't do a whole lot. It's just a shelf. I've been able to put different screws here. I've been able to build off of this little shelf right here. But this guy right here is magnetic. On their website here, it showed like 2 kettlebells, and I did the calculation. It's about from kilogram to pounds, 70 pounds to 100 pounds that this thing can hold. And as you can see, I put some bits on there just to really show you this thing right here. And what I really like about it was really cool. The fact that I can restack my pack out. I can restack that pack out and I can get this thing to the level that I really need it. One thing that I love about this so far is that it's magnetic. It has this soft, I'm like, how did you get a magnet underneath that soft stuff right there? Like, it just feels good. When the Milwaukee, don't get me wrong, I'm a Milwaukee guy. I love Milwaukee, but it's just a shelf. This cart right here was a couple $100. This right here is only 70 bucks with your 10% discount. You're gonna get it pretty cheap. It's really easy to install. Just a couple screws, and it came in like 3 different pieces. Mine did not come with instructions. I reached out to them, I said, hey, does it normally come with instructions? And they said, yeah, it typically does. They might've just forgot to put it in the box at the warehouse. I was able to put this together with no instructions. And typically as a man, I don't wanna use any instructions. I usually wanna do it myself. But this thing right here, it has these little, let me show you this right here. So you can see those little guys right there. I hit that and I hit it on both sides. I'm able to drop it down. So this thing's not gonna collapse on me. And I love that click. I love that click. When this guy right here has collapsed on me before, it's kind of gone to that level before on an accident by just moving around, shaking as I'm working. I didn't mean to do it, but it actually happened. You know, the Milwaukee cart is great. It's wonderful. Honestly, I don't even take this big giant thing out most of the time because it's just so heavy. The Packout goes with me quite frequently. For me to have this little shelf, this magnetic shelf that kicks out anytime I need it is like amazing. And I'm doing this one-handed here because I'm holding the camera in the other hand. I was like, man, how am I gonna present this review? I really wanna do these guys some good justice and I wanna like give them a good review, but it's like, typically, you guys want to see Handy Danny's beautiful face. I know, I get it. I put a video out there as a little teaser, and I had a guy come back and ask, was it a 3D build? And the quality of this thing is so good because all of it's stainless steel. I dropped the screws 1,000 times when I was putting it together. It wouldn't stick to my drill. As I installed it over here on this Packout box for the simple fact that it doesn't have any handles. This Packout box does have handles. So I'm not sure if the handle would conflict. And as I look at that from the side there, honestly, I don't think that handle would conflict when it comes to that. So I could have put it on that Packout box. But even this little Packout box right here with the small little short little shaft there, pause. Honestly, it would have worked on that as well because these little pieces right here came by themselves, this little arm right here, and then the tray was by itself. Within those different pieces, I was able to assemble it, put it together, just in case somebody else doesn't get instructions of how to put it together. But I put these on the arm first, and then I screwed the legs on, and then I put the tray on top of the legs, if that makes any sense. When it comes to this guy right here, let me go ahead and collapse it down. It collapses down really flat. It's not gonna impede, it's not gonna get in the way. You can see how flat that is. And when I bring it up, it clicks. Woo! Something about that click, baby. Something about that click that I just like, man. But man, I really appreciate you guys checking out this review. As a reminder, once again, you can get yourself 10% off the entire order. And they have all kind of different stuff on their website. They have some amazing things. I think they said they wanted to send me something else out. And I'm like, yeah, I'm all for it, man, because you know me, I'm a sucker for a tool. But man, let me get up out of here, turn this volume down.